flying today. We're at Blackbush Airport. What are your thoughts?
I'm very scared.
Why?
Because I'm with you.
Okay, well, so what I'm going to do is take her upside down, spins, open the door, etc, etc. Make sure she loves flying. What if I told you that that was our plane there, that red one?
That's tiny.
Is it now?
Yes.
Well, good thing you're quite small yourself. What are your thoughts?
Horrible.
It's lovely. I love these nice leather seats. These are nice and tasty. You're looking quite swanky in your own little private plane.
I know, yeah. Right, I'll stop filming me. Is it? Is it like that?
Shut the controls, full and free. Watch out for your knees if you pop them down into the footwell down there. And extend them a bit so I can get that round. Good.
Hello, Lau.
And then all the way backwards. All the way. Master switch is on. We're going to turn on all our electrics as well.
Should I put my bag back?
Yeah, your bag can just go in the back there. Check the piso heat's warming up. Got both of our landing lights there. Got a nav, beacon, nav light, other nav lights.
Or do we have to wear it?
You can pop it on for now, yeah.
Okay.
What are we doing first? Got radios off. This should be set to about 300 feet. All the instruments are looking good. Control full and free. What do you need for me? Left and right, backwards and forwards. Give that rudder a wiggle as well. Master switch is on. Got the beacon on. Make sure the trim is set to neutral. We've got our fuel cock on as well. Mixture's rich. Throttle is full and free and set. RP's full and free and set. Gonna do our primer. Clear! So we taxi round for fuel. We're going to pick up a little bit of fuel for our trip. What are your thoughts so far?
It's just so small. Scary.
What do you think of my taxiing? Any good?
Yeah, it was good.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad you rate that as an A. Wait till you see me in the air. Take off the high vis. Stick that on the back. Now, what we've got behind us are these harnesses.
What's the scariest part?
Scariest part?
Taking off.
No, it's landing you'll worry about. Clip up!
Can you believe that?
What are you like, hey?
I feel so much better.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. you enjoy that?
Yeah.
What happened?
I was sick.
What were you sick into?
Your bag.
Yeah. So the problem is I neglected to bring a sick bag.
That was your fault.
The only thing I had in my bag was my dry bag, which is now, as demonstrated disgustingly here, is full of something not very nice. Teaches me a lesson, I suppose. Alright, master's off, mags are off, control lock's in. There you are. No, I can't believe what you did actually. It's the first person I've ever had who's been sick in the aircraft, which is the last one I expected. Someone just on the go around there in another 150. Don't blame him. It's actually a very bumpy day. The approach I had, we floated halfway down the runway before the wheels finally touched.